All right, in that last video, we talked about if you can solve someone's problem, they will pay you. That's a big secret of success. People have needs, they have wants, they have desires. If you can help solve any of those problems for anybody, they will pay you. That's a big secret of success. Another factor that I mentioned earlier in another video is you need to enjoy what you're doing. Pick something that you want to do for the rest of your life, something that is fun for you, that's a hobby, that you're getting paid for. And I wrote a little paragraph here which I think sums it up really well. You need something to believe in, something that resonates with you, a reason to get up in the morning, research, to follow, to discover, to build. Even if everyone else laughs at you, the important message is do not do it for the payoff. You might not even experience the payoff in your lifetime. It doesn't matter. The point is, it's not about personal gain, but contribution to the world. And that's what it comes down to. Don't do something because you want a fast buck. Do something because you're contributing something to the world, something that helps others. And that helps you sleep at night. It helps you get excited when you wake up in the morning. And the payoff doesn't really matter that much. If you're doing something from your heart that really resonates, that really gets you going and makes you feel like you're worth something, that helps you get out of bed. And you're not doing it because you're going to get paid big bucks for it really fast or something. Those people that want the instant fast big bucks, that usually doesn't last long. Something that makes you last long is something that resonates with you, something that excites you, something that is who you are. It's your core. It starts with a hobby. A lot of people end up somehow doing something with their hobby that ends up creating something that other people need or want or pay. I mean, one of the people that created one of the most expensive resorts in the world who is the guy? Oh, the guy that created Nautilus fitness equipment. The guy was a fitness freak. He loved fitness. So he created a device, and then he created several devices, the Nautilus fitness line. The guy got so rich, you know that landing strip in Florida where John Travolta has his airplane? That was originally created by the guy that created Nautilus. And that all started from a hobby of liking fitness. So whatever it is you love, whatever it is that you enjoy doing, just create something something that hasn't been done yet. Just, get into what you enjoy and tinker with it. Because if you enjoy it, you'll probably tinker more. You'll probably experiment. You'll probably come up with new ways to do it better and offer something. Hiking equipment. People love hiking. So they create a new hiking device, a new backpack, a new something. So now suddenly you've got North Face fitness, the North Face line. It all starts with somebody doing what they love. So, and the other thing is, does it help the world in some way? That's a big benefit. So remember what I said. It needs to be something that helps you get excited when you get up. And the problem solving is fun if it's something that you enjoy doing. So if you can solve your own problems, share it with others, they'll pay for it, and that helps the world move. Hope this helps. See you in the next video on success. Go get successful and help the world. See you in the next video.